Namaskar. Let's explore Tukras now. Tukras are a vital part of the nether aspect of the dance form, the pure technique consisting of bowls. Normally, a Tukra is more than 1 avartan long, which is more than 16 beat time cycle longer. Obviously, it ends on a sum because that is the rule. Now, Tukra has syllables that are normally from tabla. The sounds that the percussion instrument gives out, the ta, thei, thei, tat, a, thei, those kind of syllables, tat, tat, thun, thun, those kind of syllables joined together make a Tukra. In this particular composition, there are varieties of Tukras that are accessible and have been passed on to us from generations. We have a Sada Tukra. Sada Tukra is a simple Tukra. We have a Chakkardar Tukra. Chakkardar Tukra is when one Tukra is repeated 3 times with gaps in between the 3 pallas. There are 3 pallas. In between the 3, there are 2 gaps, and that makes it into a Chakkardar Tukra. A Tukra that is inspired by the bowls of Natwari, which are Tigdha Digdig, are called Natwari Tukras. Then there is another segment that deals with Parmelu Tukra. A Parmelu Tukra is a Tukra made on the bowls that are based on the sounds that we get from nature. For example, the sound of the bees, the sound of the birds, the sound of pakavaj, tabla, maybe the deer, the frog, the lion, all these sounds put together, and also sounds that come from our bells, all joined together become a Parmelu ka Tukra. Parmelu meaning many, many sounds, Melu is to come together. We have a Sangeet ka Tukra too. Sangeet is music. A musical Tukra is called a Sangeet ka Tukra. Normally, a Sangeet ka Tukra is sung. And in the olden days, they also used to have it on the Sarangi. Now, Sarangi is an instrument that is made out of 100 wires. So, tar, meaning 100 wires put together. It is believed that Sarangi is an instrument that is closest to a human voice. When Sarangi plays this particular Tukra, it becomes a Sangeet ka Tukra. Bedam Tukra, Damdar Tukra, there are so many varieties of Tukra, and it's a sea of knowledge and exploration that I thoroughly enjoy. Let's start with a few. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you don't want to miss any of the videos we upload here, why not subscribe to the channel? Also, please do send us your feedback. It'll help us improve our program. Let's share. Happy dancing!